What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make flan or flan, and before this DIY, I was supposed to show you all how to do like a different DIY, which was rainbow drink, but that was sort of a fail because instead of a rainbow, it turned into a really dark color, and yeah, I don't really want to talk about it, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so you're first going to take the pan that you're going to bake your flan in, and you're going to spread butter all around the edges and bottom so that your flan does not stick to it. Once I'm done spreading butter all around my baking pan, that's when I'm going to take a pot and add about 6 tablespoons of sugar, or if you want, you can also add 10 tablespoons. Then I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of warm water, or you can add cold water, it doesn't matter. And I'm going to stir everything up well and turn my stove on medium heat and sort of wait until like everything sort of bubbles up, as you can see. And once it starts to bubble up, that's when I'm going to sort of start to swirl my pot. Then I'm just going to leave it for like 1 or 2 minutes so that it turns into a nice golden color. And be very careful not to leave it on your stove for too long or it may burn. Okay, so I am now done making the caramel, and I'm going to carefully pour it into my baking pan. Okay, so once you're done adding the caramel into your baking pan, that's when you're going to take your pot, place it into a sink, and add some cold water into it so that the remaining caramel sort of dissolves. Now I'm going to crack 5 eggs into sort of a big bowl, as you can see, and once I'm done with a whisk, I'm going to mix everything up well. When I'm done whisking my eggs, I'm going to take a pot and add 2 cups of whole milk. And we'll actually need 4 cups of milk, but I'm going to add the other 2 cups of milk later on. Anyways, I'm also going to add 1 cup of sugar, and I know for some of you that might sound like a lot, but it really isn't, because I'm also going to add 2 more cups of whole milk later on, and we also have the eggs. Once you're done adding the sugar into your milk, you're going to put your stove on medium heat and sort of keep on stirring everything well until you notice that the sugar has dissolved. And when you notice that the sugar has dissolved into the milk, you're going to turn off your stove and add 2 more cups of whole milk. Then you're also going to add about a tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to start adding some of my milk mixture into my egg batter, and I'm going to whisk everything up well, and I'm basically going to keep on adding some of my milk mixture into my egg batter and whisking everything up well until I have no more left. Okay, so once I'm done mixing everything well, I'm going to take a sifter, is that what it's called? I'm not sure, but I'm going to place it into my baking pan and slowly or carefully add my mixture through it. When I'm done, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350, and I'm also going to start boiling some water. Once my water is done boiling, I'm going to place a pan into my oven, and I'm also going to add my flan to it. Then I'm going to carefully pour the hot water into the pan and close my oven. And you're going to set your timer to 59 minutes or 60 minutes. Okay, so after being in the oven for 60 minutes, my flan is now done, and you're going to leave it for about 1 to 2 hours for it to completely cool down, or you can just leave it overnight. Okay, so my flan has now completely cooled down, and with a knife I'm going to go around the edges so that it's easier to get out. Then I'm going to take a plate and place it on top of my baking pan and quickly flip it over. And this is how my flan looks like, and I think it turned out amazing, and it just looks so good. And not only does this look good, but it also tasted super good. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye, and I hope you have an awesome day.